How to download and log in into FNB app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download and log in into FNB app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your app store. After you open up your app store, search for FNB app. So you can head over to your search bar and search for FNB. After you search for it, simply open FNB bank up. This is the bank right here, and then tap on install. Now after you tap on install, it should start installing, and while this installs right now, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So right here, as you can see, you can just log in into your FNB app to start sharing, sending funds, transferring funds. You can view your detailed bank balances, your transaction histories. You can add, edit or delete recipients, and you can manage your business e-bucks as well. So let's open it up after the download process completes. And after you open it up, you can just log in there. You will see a login button. So let us just wait till this loads. And yeah, it can take some time depending on your internet speed, and since it will be the first time you're opening the app, it might take some time. So there we go. Now tap on the login button to log in into your account, and here if you have a login details, you can tap on that, and after you do that, you can enter your username and tap on continue and type in your password. After doing that, you'll get logged in into your FNB bank. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.